I'm Ava Galyean. I'm from Resaca, Georgia. I'm a sophomore public relations major. This year for Spring Sing, I'm a hostess, and it's really exciting because it's something I've always wanted to do. My mom was a hostess when she was here at Harding. It's in 88 and 90, so when she was a sophomore and a senior. So it's really exciting that this is something we get to share together. She is always one of my biggest critics. Like, she'll always have notes for me, but they're always really good and constructive criticism. I'm super nervous to do this in front of her because she's a Spring Sing veteran, if you will. I'm also super excited to show her what I've been working on this whole time. We were given our solos before Christmas break, but we didn't actually start rehearsals until when we came back, so January. But we've had rehearsals multiple times a week since we came back to school. I'm such a big planner, and that is so important because I have to write down everything, and I'm like, okay, I have to do this quiz today because then I have rehearsal at this time, and then I have another rehearsal at this time. So if you don't manage your time, you're not, you're gonna be sunk. So you say Spring Sing to someone who went to Harding, 40 years ago, and they're like, oh yeah, I was in Spring Sing, I did my club show. And it's just so cool to see, there's so much history with it, and it's such a huge community thing. It just really brings everyone together.